I am Shyam Sundar from National Housing Bank, and I am here at representing the Ahmedabad Regional Office of the National Housing Bank, and I'm acting as the office in charge. I am here today to give them some awareness about the program, and to initiate the first successful disbursement of interest subsidy to the beneficiaries, which has been given through one of the housing finance companies, that is India Infoline Housing Finance Limited. And I am here representing the state of Gujarat and the people who have come from all the cities from the state of Gujarat, and these are one of the few first beneficiaries of the this interest subsidy scheme. And from the previous this version of interest subsidy scheme, that is PMAY 1.0, there has been an overwhelming response from the state of Gujarat, wherein some 20,000 crore of subsidy was disbursed in the first tranche. And looking to the great success of this first tranche, the government again came up with a second tranche of this scheme. And because we have been instrumental in getting the same success as the first first tranche was, so this is evident here that the second tranche is gaining the momentum, and this is the program just to show the momentum to the public and to create the awareness, so they come up more with this to avail the benefit out of this scheme, and so that the dream of the center to have the household for every needy people, that is actually materialized.
I have, sir, a couple of questions. One is, which city is having a lot of beneficiaries?
Okay. So basically, I will not come up with the city. We generally see the state as a whole. So it has been the Gujarat, the forefront runner in the first tranche, wherein some 20,000 crores of subsidy, again in the interest, because it has the four verticals, wherein interest subsidy scheme is one of the vertical. In interest subsidy scheme, some 20,000 crore rupees of subsidy was disbursed in the state of Gujarat, which is highest in India.
And